I have questions, don't leave yet. Welcome to the next shop vlog.
Dropping in on that sick shop vlog. Let's get it!
Woo!
We got a special build coming, and we're going to show you what it's all about. It's a third Gen Tacoma, crispy thing. It's black, sick. Let's get into it. Take her to surgery, buddy. Got the winch, got the shocks, got the upper control arms, leaves. Who's cute? Who's cute? Oh, freshy.
I can't come in here with spending money. It's so dangerous. Yeah, who's trail bus?
Who's trail bus? Yeah, look at all these Toyotas here, eh? Toyota town. Going up. Yeah, boy. Yeah, this thing's gonna be nuts.
We got a lot going on. This truck is gonna be like a complete makeover. It's gonna be a totally different vehicle when we're done with it. So we're pretty stoked on this one. This thing is just a piece of junk sitting there at the front end.
Oh yeah, big night last night. Braden never seems, he lives in the shop 24/7. Just working on his own or getting other trucks done.
New guy Evan, and we're gonna be crushing out this truck. Yeah, Evan's a full-on welder, so it's sweet. We got a full certified welder on the team now, and yeah, this truck's gonna get dialed in. Pumped.
Yeah.
Two Beyond Burgers with cheese and bacon.
Look at that. Get the birds, get the birds. Yo, look busy boys, the boss is back. Let's go, let's go.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck you trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, bro. Yeah, she give me that claim I was roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on Bob, Bambi. Bambi, yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're at the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dink flags, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Longer side goes towards the rear. This one we're going with option 3 for the leaf springs, which gives you the most lift and load carrying capacity.
600 pounds load capacity, baby.
Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to give me some chip.
Snap on van,
Nice. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Sex a couple of days. I feel like to the fan. This shit got me upset, but at 8 then I finally start getting funky with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, what's the one? These poor boys think I'm cocky. I've been real like Barry Pop. Smoking on kick, I eat a coffee.
Just getting the solenoid set up on this winch, so we can get the winch on the bumper, so we can get the bumper on the truck.
These bitches niggas that go. I got more different toys. I remember.
All the old stuff that we took off. Got the old leaves, got the old coilovers. Look at the difference here. What is this? Looks like a toothpick. We got rear shocks. We got a leaf spring spacer. We don't want none of that. Yeah, look at the difference here. Just the color is sick, huh? Got the hammer hangers on. Oh, this thing's gonna be nuts. You extended the brake lines too, my guy.
Extended stainless steel.
Woo. Archive garage with the high grade. Hey boys. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, it does heavy. Spare on there. He's bent his spindle, hasn't he? Yeah, I've been there. Are you gusseting these bad boys?
Yeah.
Oh, really? We're going high end, eh? He's gonna be ready for the whooping.
New wheel bearing, new in and out of tire rod.
Oh yeah, I mean if you're doing the spindle, you may as well just do the wheel bearing at the same time, get it feeling fresh, right? Yeah. Oh, we got some stickers too. Ooh, whoa, they got new sticker packs. Oh, Chaos with the upgrades. Oh yeah, Camp Chaos. Jeez, love me a campfire. Oh, Jenna! Ah! Get in.
Get out here.
Oh, Tobes is in here too. Oh, Toby! Oh, shop dog.
No, I always feel like I'm sitting at my desk over there and I'm like, oh, they're having such a good time.
Oh, we're having such a good time in the shop. That's what it's all about, right?
Sorry, I had to take this call.
Oh. Come on, So what we got? Give us a quick run through, B. What we done here?
Oh, we got Archive Garage hammer hangers in the back.
Check.
We got Archive Garage shackle fit with their own bump stops.
Check.
Check. We got Icon RXT leaf springs.
Oh yeah, got some of them on my truck. Option 3, boom.
Yep, check.
600 pounds, check.
Boom. We got Archive Garage shock relocation that allows up to a 14-inch shock.
Oh, is that what these are?
These are 12s. 12s are a better fit for spring over. If you're going spring under the axle, then a 14 could be a better option. But the 12 is the best for spring over, and it leaves you a lot of clearance for wheeling around where we live. It's mostly rock crawling stuff. We're not hitting whoops or anything. So spring over is usually a better option for us in BC. So this is kind of a sick setup for what we're doing up here. It is good.
Let's bang them on, let's go! She's nearly ready!
So that's this shop vlog wrapped up. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Just got a few little things to just wrap up, clean up, then it goes off to alignment, and then he's gonna get his truck back, which is gonna be pretty exciting. And then we'll see him back again to clear some 35s on this thing, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you liked it, hopefully you can like and subscribe. Just a couple clicks, that's all it takes, and then it helps us a lot and keeps us motivated to keep doing these videos. So if you like them, please do that. Yeah, otherwise, we're stoked to get out of here and keep building cool trucks. Woo!